Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of multiplying 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. This is standard 5.3b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 12 off the 2017 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So, we have Aspen, and Aspen is adding 14 to the product, so there's our clue right there of 224 and 16, and we're looking for the sum, which is kind of weird because we are looking at multiplying, but it's actually a two-step process. First, this product means multiply, so we're going to have to multiply 224, 16, then we're going to add 14 to that product, and that's what's going to get us our sum. So let's look at two different ways to multiply because we learned the standard algorithm. And so I'm going to put that right here, standard algorithm. That's the normal way, that's the shortcut way. But I also want to show you how you can do it with partial products. It's a longer way, but I want you to see what we're actually doing and why the shortcut or the standard algorithm actually works. So let's look at our 224 and 16. So with our partial products, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply each number. We're going to write it on a separate row. So we're going to get partial products and add them all up. So we always start with the ones place in the bottom number, so that's the 6. And we start from the ones place, move over to our left. So we're going to go 6 times 4. What we're going to do is we're just going to write down the answer, 24. And then we're going to write 6 times 2, that's 12. But remember, this 2 is in the tens place. Really, it's 6 times 20. So if 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 20 is going to be 120, because when we multiply by multiples of 10, 100, 1,000, we can just add zeros. Same with this, 6 times 2 is, once again, 12, but it's really 200. So this is going to be 6 times 2 with the 2 extra zeros, so that's going to be 1,200. So what I did was I did 3 separate multiplication problems there, 24, 120, and 1,200. Now let's look at our second row here. So this is a 10. This 1 is in the tens place, so we're going to multiply 1 times 4, which is going to be 4. But really that's a 10, so we need to add a 0, so 40. 1 times 2 is 2, but really it's 10 times 20, because that's both of those digits are in the tens place. So that's 2 with 2 extra zeros, so that makes 200. And then we've got 1 times 2, so that's 2. And then we got 1, 2, 3 extra zeros. It's really 10 times 200. So 1, 2, 3 zeros. So there we go. That is all the multiplication I actually did. Let's add it up. That's 4. That's going to be 8. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be 35, 84. But don't forget, we still have to add this 14. We'll do that in a moment. Let's look at the standard algorithm, because what it does is it really takes two different chunks, this first chunk and this bottom chunk, and it kind of combines them. 224 times 16. This is a little bit quicker way to do it. So we're going to say 6 times 4 is still 24, like that first row, but we're actually just going to carry that 2 because we can only put one digit down there. So 6 times 2 is 12. And so we're going to say 12, and we're going to add the 2 back in. That's going to be 14, but we can still only put one digit down there. So 6 times 2 is 12 again. We're going to add that 1. That's going to be 13. So if you were to take 24, 120, and 1,200, you get 1344. So we took 3 rows, put it in 1 row. That's what we do. Let's put a 0 here, because remember, we're going to multiply by this 1, which is really a 10. And then we say 1 times 4 is 4. Anything times 1 is easy. That's 2. That's 2. So 2240 is what you get if you add 40, 200, and 2,000. So that's what we do. We just do it in 2 rows. We still have to get partial products, but 2 big ones. So that's going to be 4, 8, 5, 3. Same answer, but we still need to add our 14. So let's just do that, and that's going to be 8, 9, 35, 98 is our answer. Let's not jump on J. That's going to be probably the most chosen incorrect answer because I forgot to add 14.